that include mental disorder, spectrum disorders, chronic disorders. It includes high-functioning autism.
The subfields or subsets of linguistics: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied linguistics.
And so I'd like to welcome him to the show. This is Atelston, Fitzgerald Holder the First. Thank you so much. Welcome, sir, and yeah, man, thanks for coming down and rapping with me today.
Thank you. I'm flabbergasted beyond comprehension. I'm excited, actually.
Right, LOSC-phi, right, which is the acronym LOOP. But more like the subsets, the different branches, and primarily the role it played of incongruity, where they sort of merge all these incompatibilities and creates a sort of... Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're.